burger. This huge. Look at it. It's like the biggest burger I've ever seen. I got it from Burger King. Only when you live close to the American side, I guess everything is big. And they say, go big or go home. We're going big. Because we soon go home. So put some ketchup in that. And look what they put in here. They put onions, guys. You know I'm not a fan of onions, right? No onions for this woman. Biggest burger ever. Take a bite first. We're giving you the first bite, eh? Today, biggest burger ever. Woo! I gave you the first bite and you're being shy, so I bit it for you. So huge, so huge. Kind of cold over here. Guys, it was a wonderful day. Wonderful day at the falls. That's my treat. I wish we could stay a little longer. So far. Really chilly, eh? That's with water. So guys, we're still here on Niagara on the lake. And it's just like freezing. Aren't you cold, Nana? You cold? Oh, yeah, it's freezing, right? Oh my goodness. Oh, she's cold. Nana is cold. So, yeah, exactly.
You drank the cold.
I did. I just put a straw in it for you.
Oh, okay.
No. Too many things is happening behind me. Guys, if you're ever in Canada, please come. Check out Niagara Falls.